Welcome back to Atlantic Coast Aesthetics. Thank you for joining our weekly hangout. As always, we have Dr. Thomas Pane taking your question of the week. Dr. Pane, the question of the week for this week is coming from Hollywood, Florida. It came in through our Facebook page. Question is, how long does it take for a facelift recovery?
That's a good question. Facelift recovery surprisingly is since there's very little pain in the procedure. The difficult thing with facelift recovery is the visibility of the scars in front of the ear, which for the first couple of days until the sutures are removed, usually people kind of want to have that covered up, sometimes with a light head scarf, something like that. If there's bruising visible on the lower cheeks or neck, depending on what kind of procedure is done, then that can be a little bit of an issue. So most of the time people want to stay out of sight for probably about 5 days to a week. It's a good thing to time around the vacation, or at least when you have about a week off. Makeup can be used to cover up any bruising if there is any. Not everyone gets it, but it's something to keep in mind, and that can be done inside of a week. In terms of the swelling, most of the early swelling is down by about 14 days or so. Beyond that, it takes a little while longer for some of the longer term swelling to go down, but a lot of times that's not noticeable. It's only to the patient, so they'll know things are still recovering, but people that see them, especially if the area is covered up or then the scars aren't really easily seen until curing, then that's usually no problem. So roughly about a week, to be back in action, maybe about 2 weeks for full activity and so forth.
Well, thank you, Dr. Pane. And if you have a question for the doctor, please contact us via our Facebook page or website. And Dr. Pane, thank you this week for answering the question, and we'll see you next time.
Great. Take care.